Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Matt and Courtney's RV Travel Adventures today. So today what I have for you is actually some footage of a hike we took out at Ricketts Glen Falls. This is going to be a lot less of me speaking and just kind of more of enjoying our hike, seeing where we went, and taking a look at the area. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. So we're about a mile in on the more difficult trail, and it's wet.
Yes, it's very wet.
It's very wet. But we should be getting to some waterfalls soon, hopefully.
That's Erie. That's the 47-footer.
So we're here at the cross.
The water's neat.
We're gonna go left first, right?
Yeah.
This way. Try to get some drone footage of Angoga. guys, thanks for tuning in today and checking out Ricketts Glen Falls and our hike through the falls. I hope you appreciated the content you see here today, and I hope you tune in to us every Tuesday for new content that publishes on the channel weekly. Thanks again. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe, and we will really appreciate it. And see you next time here on RV Adventures with Mac.